So hey friends, I guess Vicky and I didn't learn our lesson last weekend, so we decided to go ahead and brave camping one more time, even though it is still very hot here in North Texas. We came out here to Possum Kingdome Lake State Park so we could hang out with our very good friend Frugal RV Gal, and apparently they have a few things up their sleeves. So believe it or not, even though I think it's about 95 degrees and very humid, they said we're gonna make ice cream, so I'm looking forward to that. Anyway, I thought I'd bring you along for this little adventure. Alright, Frugal's going to try out the e-bike. And off she goes. We'll see if this is going to work. He's not so sure. Oh. Well, he's going to get her done. So I guess he's going to go dump that water is what's going on here?
Maybe.
That's why I said it's full. Yeah. Alright, well he didn't die.
Maybe that's a toilet?
Alright, she made the loop. Let's see if she's hooked.
Okay, I like that. That's awesome.
Isn't that fun?
That's so
Yeah,
cool.
you can still, and you can change the settings. So right now it's on the lowest power assist in gear 4. You know, but you can change it so it can assist more.
Yeah,
It'll,
you really don't need it anymore than that.
not at all.
You just start pedaling, it just.
See what I mean?
That is so
And that's
cool.
on low.
And I'm afraid if I turn it on high, I'm flying off the back. So.
I think I changed gears.
Uh-oh. Yeah, it's supposed to be pedaling when you change gears. So,
sorry.
yeah. Well, Frugal is back with the ice cream makings. This is going to be interesting. Ice cream.
Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. And it's a birthday for Lola.
Thank you.
We're having ice cream for your birthday.
Yay.
Later we'll have steaks and taters.
Well, that's just the best birthday ever. Awesome. Let's get lost. I love it.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, grab a bag.
Homemade ice cream without a machine. Thank you. Okay. Pretty sure this is going to work, huh?
Yeah. I heard that it does.
I've heard it does too.
Half and half.
Okay.
That's not very much, is it? No. But I don't.
Yeah.
We're having steaks later, right?
Yeah.
That's kind of the cool thing about this. So you think just a little bit?
Sprinkle do you get?
It's hard to say.
And
How much are you going to put
A
in?
little sweetness to it.
or that might be a little much. That's gonna be vanilla ice cream. That's all good.
Oh, yeah.
That's a lot.
Yeah.
That's a lot good.
Yeah.
That's a baggie.
About how much also? About not that. Yes, this is a very loud sport, this
Yeah.
ice cream making. It's kind of fun. It's cold.
Yeah. 94 degrees. This feels good.
Yeah. All right, we'll get back to you when the ice cream is done. This is how you make ice cream when it's hot.
You need to cool off. Yeah.
My ice cream's gonna fall off my head.
Well, it feels good.
Well,
I know. I think it's just so hot.
It's just
It
still
hits
a little melty. Yeah. Well, let's just pour some in the cup, shall we?
It's very soft serve.
Yeah, unfortunately, it's just too hot. It just didn't quite solidify.
Well, we move on to steak.
We move on to steak.
Here.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my goodness, look what Vicky did.
Ooh, look at that.
The goodness.
Oh, no.
Yeah,
no,
outdid
no.
yourself, Missy.
Yeah.
Thank you. Corn?
Yum.
Sort of. If it doesn't roll off.
Yeah.
You're the bomb.
Thank you.
Thanks, Vic.
Thought we were gonna-
Welcome. Happy birthday.
I know,
Happy
right?
birthday.
Thanks, man.
And we have taters.
All
Oh my gosh.
right, I'm gonna hang up and eat.
Hang up.
What you doing, bud? You're not scared at all, are you?